In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a discount code in a welcome email using Klaviyo and Shopify. This process is quite straightforward and we'll walk through each step together to make sure you feel confident about implementing it yourself. To get started, let's first create a discount code. This will be a static code, meaning it can be used by multiple customers. So it's perfect for a welcome email where you might want to offer a warm incentive to all your new subscribers. Begin by logging into your Shopify account. Once you're in, navigate to the discount section in your Shopify admin dashboard. Here, you're going to create a new discount. Follow the prompts to generate a unique code that expresses the essence of your promotion. Something catchy yet relevant to your brand could be ideal. It's important to know that static codes don't update with every purchase, which means they can be shared among your customer base, a handy note for maximizing reach with this offer. After you've created your discount code on Shopify, it'll be time to integrate it into your welcome email campaign. Next, you'll log into your Klaviyo account. Here, you'll create a new welcome email flow or campaign. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for how you'll engage with your new subscribers. Once you've set up your flow, all you have to do is incorporate the static code directly into the body of your email. Make sure to place the code prominently, perhaps in a larger font, or using a color that stands out against your email's background. The goal is to ensure the code is noticeable and easy for the reader to use. To emphasize this, you might consider including a call to action that's clear and inviting, guiding your subscribers on how they can benefit from using their discount code. Whether it's prompting them to make a purchase or explore your catalog, the key is to make this action as seamless as possible. With these steps completed and your code placed strategically within the email content, your new subscribers will not only receive a warm welcome, but also a compelling reason to engage with your store. With clarity and thoughtful design, your first impression can spark interest and encourage conversions. In just a few minutes, you've successfully crafted a step-by-step approach to offering discounts in your welcome emails, enhancing your customer interaction through a blend of Shopify's tools with Klaviyo's email marketing capabilities. By following these steps, you're well equipped to create meaningful connections and grow your business engagement effectively.